In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can wipe your Nintendo Switch. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it, and if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Now, wiping your Nintendo Switch means you're going to be essentially performing a full factory reset. Meaning this is going to delete all your user accounts, it's going to remove all saved data, uninstall all downloaded games, and reset the console back to its original setup screen. This is pretty useful if you're selling the console, giving it away, or you just want to start completely fresh. But first things first, make sure no games are running in the background, and from here, go ahead and go down to the settings right here, open this up and scroll down to the very bottom and you're going to see a system tab. Go ahead and open this up. And once again, scroll all the way down to the bottom and you're going to see a data clear options or formatting options button. Go ahead and select this. And once you select this, scroll down to the very bottom again and you're going to see an option to restore from factory settings or restore to factory settings. Select that, hit initialize console or whatever it might be saying. It's kind of different depending on the software that it's running right now, but essentially open this up, confirm that you want to delete all your data, and this process can take about 10 minutes or up to an hour depending on how much data is stored in the system. But once the process is complete, the console will restart, no accounts will be signed in, no games will be installed, and it's going to look exactly like it did when it was first purchased. You'll essentially be brought to the initial setup screen, but that is it. That is how you can fully wipe your Nintendo Switch. If this guide did help you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.